YABE, it's IRyS. Starting off where I left off. I think I remember I finished somewhere right after all the kitchen timers died. Last time. They all go poof. They all go poof, but at least we didn't see any dead bodies. So maybe they're not dead. Maybe they're not. I feel like I'm meditating. It sounds like I'm meditating. Oh, I can't get on top of that. Damn it! One more time. Oh, that sounded wrong. Okay. Ah, no, that wasn't good enough. That wasn't good enough. Damn it. Oh my god. Are you serious? Are you serious? I'm like, no. I'm basically high enough. That looks high enough. That looks high enough to me. I sound like a phone that's on vibrate, but also like emotionally unstable. Like an emotionally unstable phone. Yes, that's what I am right now. Oh, come on, you can do this. You can do this, little boy. I don't know if this is a boy or not, but it's good enough. Oh, can I make this jump? No! There we go. This is the perfect one. This is the perfect path. Okay. Yes. I'm not gonna ho-ho. I'm not. No ho-hoing. No ho-hoing is allowed in this chat. Oh! Kitchen timer's alive! I totally thought I killed you guys. Oh my god, how relieved I am to see these macho. Oh, he's winking too. Oh, you're back. Thank God. Are you the only survivor? Are you the only survivor? Oh, I thought I got rid of the whole species last stream accidentally. Of course, not on purpose. Not because they look like Santa or anything. Okay, now we're on the same stage. Oh, the ball's coming. You better not screw up, big dude. I don't get the timing when the ball comes rolling on this side. Ooh, pa, ba, ve, yeah. Ooh. Oh, thank God he does the last one. Okay. Oh yeah, this does the same thing again. Okay, this repeats. Repeats me after. Don't repeat after me. Pa, ba, ve, yeah. There we go. What is that? Yeah, you're here. You're here with me. Oh, am I leaving you behind? No, come with me. I can just imagine that other mountain going boom the moment he waves at me or something from the other side. Was he the only survivor? He might have been the only survivor. What's this? Tentacle? Oh no! A Ferris wheel. Is it a Ferris wheel? I don't know, but it looks like a Ferris wheel cart, so let's just call it a Ferris wheel. Oh, it's not a plant. I thought it was a plant for a second. Oh, but it's not an evil plant? It doesn't sound like an evil plant. Oh no, are you scared? No worries, it's okay. Oh, never mind, maybe it's not okay. We just dunked ourselves into the darkness. Never mind. I'm assuming I'm gonna meet a bunch of deers and bunnies and a lot of cute little animals. And I'm gonna be like Snow White, being like, and you know, making them do all the stuff. Like, you know, basically bossing them around is what I'm guessing. Okay, welcome to the jungle. Cause that's how Snow White looks like to me. Record your voice to the flower. Hmm? You don't want to record my voice, do you? What is this supposed to do? Let's try to mimic. Yeah! Okay, that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. I don't need the orange. Wait. No. I can do this. I can make this. There we go. Yes. I feel like this time it's going smoother than last round. Ew. Oh, new character. What happened to bird? The lady bird thing that was like flying all over the place with the anteaters before. Mysterious character. Listen to my song. Oh, I drenched her. I had a waterfall pour over her. Oh no. Oh dear, she died. The background. I didn't know you could jump on this thing. And it all comes together. Okay, I got the purples. I got it to eat the purples. Oh. Yay, piranha satisfied. You know, there's a lot of like magic trick movies that has, piranhas in like tanks and they put like a person in there and try to make them survive. Yeah, that's horrifying. I've seen so many movies where the person's like eaten alive in the fish tank. Yeah, these piranhas kind of remind me of that. Okay. Is that one of the James Bond movies? I don't remember really watching any James Bond movies. Like I think maybe IRyS. Oh no, my daddy IRyS maybe might have watched it. Oh, now there's pink fruits. That looks like a strawberry. My favorite berry has to probably be the strawberry. Mainly because I just don't really eat that much other berries. Like you don't see anything besides a strawberry like on stuff, usually like on cakes. I guess sometimes you see like a couple blueberries, like tiny blueberries on like cheesecake or like on pancakes once in a while, but usually it's mainly just bananas and strawberries. And there's something that I don't really like about cranberry. I just don't like cranberry juice, but raspberries though, they look pretty. They look like little grapes. That's pretty. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the bottom one. Wait! Strawberries aren't berries? What? Are you serious? What? Ooh. The flower has a face. Wait, what the hell? This flower is like floating from its roots and it's has that smug looking face on it. Oh, it sings too. Oh, we lullabied the flower to sleep. Okay. Is that what our intention was? Or is it just tired and bored already? Or is it... I can't hear the harmonies. I cannot harmony to harmony. Yep. It's like the fairy godmother. They're always watching over you, which means they're staring at you 24/7, right? I mean, they're watching over you 24/7. That's Okay. Your Pope is here. Oh, elevator. Elevator. Oh, never mind, this is the highest floor. What now? What now? I really hope I can finish this today. Huh? Wait. This is the end? Okay then. I guess I finished it. It's okay. The kitchen timers were alive, and then I met Stalker Sensei. Flower Stalker Sensei. I totally thought there'd be like one more stage. That was fast. That was much faster than I expected. Okay, so this is what they meant by like early release. I see. I'm sure there is probably a continuation to this story eventually. Eventually. But this is the first time I finished a game. I completed a game that actually needed to be completed, kind of. I mean, I guess it's not complete since it's an early release, but that just kind of ended like it was kind of sudden. Yeah, the end was very sudden. No, thank you. And pets. I like how they put pets inside the credits. No, thank you. This was fun. Fun stuff.